Hello there, welcome back to my channel. How to determine whether simultaneous equations have a solution. Say we had two simultaneous equations in the unknowns x and y. These are the unknowns. And they're written in this form. Y is equal to ax add b, and y is equal to cx add d. Now, a couple of things we need to observe about these simultaneous equations. Now, if A and C are not equal, so if A and C are not equal, then the lines representing these equations are not parallel. So the lines are not parallel. And so the equations have no solution. No solutions. Right, so these are two simultaneous equations in this form. Y equal to ax add b and y is equal to cx add d. If A and C are not equal, then the lines are not parallel, and hence there are no solutions. Now, if constants A and C are equal, then the lines representing the equations are parallel. So the lines are parallel. And the equation do not have a solution. So equations do not have a solution. But there's an exception to this rule here. And that is if the constants b and d, so if b and d are also equal, then the equations are the same. It implies that the equations are the same. And so there are infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Right, so what follows next is an example of two simultaneous equations where I'll analyze applying these rules. Right, these are the two simultaneous equations that we'll use to analyze what we've just covered in terms of identifying whether the equations have a solution or not. First, we need to rearrange both of these equations so each formula is expressed y in terms of x. So for equation 1, we have that 2x minus y equal to negative 1, which we can arrange as 2x add 1 is equal to y, or we can write that y equal to 2x add 1. And equation 2, we can write 1 minus 4x add 2y is equal to 1. Gives us 2y is equal to 1 add 4x, and y is equal to a half add 2x. Or we can write 2x add a half. 2x add a half. So we've rearranged our equations, and the pair of equations now are equivalent to, this pair is equivalent to what we have, which is y is equal to 2x add 1, and y is equal to 2x add a half. Now, let's look at the observations. Both equations represent lines with the same gradient here being 2, but not the same line, simply because the y-intercept here is 1 in this equation. Let's call this equation 3, in this equation 4, and the y-intercept in equation 4 is a half. So they're not the same line. So same gradient, but not the same line. So we can conclude that the equations do not have a solution. So these equations do not have a solution. Let's summarize what we've actually found. First of all, is that not all simultaneous equations have exactly one solution. And if they represent parallel lines, but not the same line, then no solution exists. So if they represent parallel lines, but not the same line, then no solution exists. No solutions exist. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Alistair. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.